Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So everything is looking like we're consolidating for a move up. Well, everything that I'm trading at the moment. So does the Euro USD. So we have a fairly strong level of support at 108.529, and we have a potential double bottom brewing here, not set yet. That we'd need a break and a retest of 109.074 for that to play out, but we are testing the 150 EMA here. So ultimately, if we do drop below 108.529, that would mean more downside. But looking at the oscillators at the moment, you can see clear double bottom there, and look at my oscillators moving up. So that is diversions, that's bullish diversions. So I would rather be favoring a break to the upside. And when we look at the 3 hour, nothing really changes. You can see still the structure, and this is our line in the sand. Look at the oscillators separated, crossing over, pointing up. We could just range today as well. That's possible. Still a little bit of confusion around the dollar, but when we start looking at tech stocks are really starting to look interesting with AI. So that's what's driving the indexes. I don't think that'll impact the dollar much, but this is all driven by interest rate hikes and confusion around that at the moment, and war and oil and. So we need to wait for clear signals here. Now, moving down the hours, and while I just look for more levels, you can just smack that like button for us. And I want one that is the center of the range. That zone would be ideal. There is a gap here as well. So we've got a crossover of the moving averages, but we're still below the 150. So patience is key here. You can jump in if you want to, but you've got a 50-50 chance of which way it's going to go right now. So the higher time frames are indicating this is your line that you need to wait for. So a break of 109.074, and I wouldn't be too surprised to see us hit this level, turn around, and come and find support here. And if that happens, then I'm looking at 108.845 or 108.767 for an opportunity to buy into this. And I don't think we're going to see anything different on the 50-minute, to be honest. Yeah, you can see the above and below the moving averages is just magnified. So you can see early signals here above the moving averages at the moment, straight in this zone that I'm talking about. So anything can happen. Granted, anything can happen, but I think if it is a move to the upside, you're going to be capped by 109.074, and I would expect us to I'll just move in a direction, come back, find support, and that would be the trigger. I don't really want to jump in here, not while we are below the 150 EMA on the hour, because that is the indication of my trend. Okay, so anyway, that basically equates to sit quietly and wait, and just want to check the daily, range bar on the daily, pin bar the previous day. So the daily is also brewing for this continuation up, but there's no clear signal yet, and I think the weekly is just going to be more confusion, because we are just below the weekly 150 EMA at the moment as well. Okay, so anyway, that's a wait and see signal that we have there. Hope that helps, and we will catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.